Hello dear students, welcome to today's English session. Our topic is Reach for the Top and we are talking about Maria Sharapova. Maria Sharapova, a Russian girl who reached the summit of women's tennis when she was barely 18. आइए देखें हमने मारिया के बारे में अभी तक क्या-क्या बात की है. Maria was packed off to the US at a very tender age. She was just 9 years old at that time. And at this stage, she had to face a heart-wrenching separation from her mother. Her mother could not accompany her to US due to visa restrictions. The life at training was also not very easy. She was bullied by her seniors. तो इन सब मुसीबतों, तकलीफों, चैलेंजेस को फेस करते हुए भी मारिया ने 2004 में विमेंस सिंगल क्राउन जीता और साथ ही साथ 2005 में शी बिकेम वर्ल्ड नंबर 1. आइए जाने इतनी सक्सेस के पीछे व्हाट वाज मारियाज मंत्रा. सो हर मंत्रा वाज दैट शी हैड नो रूम फॉर सेंटिमेंट. तो जहां हम सेंटिमेंट की बात करते हैं, हमने पहले भी पढ़ा है दैट मारिया believed in being tough. She was extremely determined. She says, I am very, very competitive. I work hard at what I do. It is my job. तो हम कह सकते हैं कि उनका मंत्रा फॉर सक्सेस क्या था? उनका हार्ड वर्क. She used to work really hard for being successful. बात करते हैं मारिया की नेशनैलिटी की. As we all know, she was born in Russia, but she spent most of her life in US. That is the reason behind her American accent. However, she is very proud of her Russian nationality. She says, I am Russian. It is true that the US is a big part of my life, but I have Russian citizenship. My blood is totally Russian. I will play the Olympics for Russia if they want me. तो हम कह सकते हैं कि जहां रशिया मारिया की जन्मभूमि था, वहां यूएस उनकी कर्म भूमि था. बात करते हैं मारिया की हॉबीज की और उनके इंटरेस्ट की. Like any other teenage sensation, Maria was very fond of fashion, singing, dancing. और साथ ही साथ she is fond of wearing evening gowns and at the same time she is fond of eating calorie rich pancakes with chocolate spreads and fizzy orange drinks. Imagine, एक तरफ sophisticated evening gowns और दूसरी तरफ इतना heavily calorie rich food. This is Maria. So let us talk about Maria's intellectual side. She is fond of reading the novels of Arthur Conan Doyle. Do you know who is Arthur Conan Doyle? Sir Arthur Conan Doyle is a British writer and a physician, and he is the one who created the famous character of Sherlock Holmes in 1887. आइए बात करते हैं मारिया की मोटिवेशन की. कौन सी ऐसी चीज है जो उन्हें मोटिवेटेड रखती है? तो उस बारे में अगर हम बात करें तो सबसे पहले आएगा हर डिजायर टू सक्सीड एंड हर रेडीनेस टू सेक्रीफाइस. साथ ही साथ मारिया कहती हैं, ऑफ कोर्स मनी इज अ मोटिवेशन, टेनिस इज अ बिजनेस एंड अ स्पोर्ट, बट द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग is to become number 1 in the world. That's the dream that kept me going. तो money and becoming number 1, ये दो चीजें भी बहुत important है मारिया की सक्सेस के पीछे. इसी पावरफुल कोट के साथ हम आज का सेशन यहीं खत्म करते हैं. I will leave you with a task, and the task is find out the names of the top female tennis players in the world. That's it for today. Take care.